Hello guys, let me introduce you to MILA. MILA is an event management application that can help you get the worries away from organizing your events. This is what it looks like. You open MILA up, you can see you are invited. You can see all the latest events down here. You can see the popular events here. The latest ones are down here, and top here will be for events that want to be featured. Just a little, you know, fee for that to be featured at in the homepage. So here, this is where you create your account. The top left part of the screen, you create an account for yourself. You can either use like a Gmail or your mobile number. You receive a validation code for you to proceed. Once that's done, you can create an event right away. And the cool things about this application is this application will help you, cut the cost of printing tickets. You don't need to print tickets when you're having events. People can buy your tickets from here. You also do not need to have any tag on their wrists to identify them when they get in. They only need to show you their tickets from this app, which will unveil a QR code that you will scan and be able to authenticate the QR code and tell that this is a VIP ticket. VIP this way, this is a regular ticket this way. So to create an event, you touch the blue cross at the bottom of your screen here. Touch here to pick a flyer for your event. Let's assume it's it's a cleaning party. You want to clean at this party, and you can call it cleaning party. You need to put a description as well. You can just say whatever you want here. I'll just say hey. Next, you choose what category this event will be, and I already said it's a party, so let's call it a barbecue party. You can have some barbecue while you're cleaning. You can show to public. If you untick this, that means that your event will not show in the homepage for people to see. It's only going to be available for people that you invite yourself. All right. Now, I like for everyone to attend this party because it's good to be clean. Strictly by invitation, no, I want to allow everybody come, so I'll untick that. Next. So this happens in Nigeria, and the venue will be at Eco Hotel. Next, start date 30th of January is fine. What time? Let us start at 1900 hours, and let it end date is fine. Let it end at 2000. That's fine. Next. So tickets, by default we have 20 regular tickets here at free. You can change the price, you can change the number of tickets. I like to change it to 50. All right. And VIP, you can change the numbers here and then save. It will enable. You can add a new ticket type here. All right, I'm not ready to do that. You can call the ticket anything. Next, you can have tables as well. I don't need tables right now, but depending on the type of event that you're having, you can have tables, and then you can create a new table type as well. Name it anything, put the prices. Next, you can put in your agenda here. Hosts, let hosts be Charles, for example, and his own part of the agenda, he starts at 1900. Details, welcome address or welcome speech. That's fine. Save. You can add something else, and let's say Sarah will be the one to handle this one, and this will happen at 2000 hours, and Sarah will be giving us the closing speech. Save, and you can have as much items in the agenda. You can preview your event now, right? Preview your event, and then you can submit. Once you submit, it uploads. Once it uploads 100%, and then you can come to your profile, touch my events. You will see the cleaning party event here. Touch cleaning party. Then you can go next. Click here to add emails. You can put emails here. MILA at mila.com. This will be, you can separate with a comma. space, and then put another email, as many emails as you want. Then you need to send invites to these people. Even if they don't have MILA, it will send them a link to download MILA. So I can click submit changes. Okay, and then I can go next. Here I can click to add guests. The first set of people are going to download the application and buy the tickets themselves. Here I'm adding guests where I am going to, you know, already give them a certain ticket type, you know. So I can select the ticket type here, regular at free. That's the only thing I chose. I'll put their number here. Once I click search, it brings their numbers up, and you know, they must have been a user on MILA before, and then you can buy them a ticket. All right, let's just submit changes. Next, you can add ushers. With ushers, anybody you add as an usher will have the ability to use their phone to scan people's QR codes when they're coming in. You understand? So that, you know, there's no bottleneck. You can have as many ushers as you want, you know, so that you don't have people just, you know, being clustered at the door like we have it at the Nigerian events. Next, now the cool thing about this application is we're trying to solve the problem of African timing. So if your event was supposed to start at 4 o'clock and you're not starting, you can allow attendees chat with each other, you know. So can allow across ticket or same ticket category alone, or allow same ticket and below, because it's very disrespectful for somebody to have a regular ticket and be trying to chat with somebody in VVIP. All right, so you can submit that one, or you can go next. This is what your agenda is all about. Next, you can add opinion polls so people can vote. You can say, oh, okay, who is going to win this election? Remote voting, so people that are not at your event can also use MILA to vote. Here, let's put who will win this election. Okay, and then you can click here, add the image of the first option, and you can say Mr. A. Mr. A. You can come here, add the image of the second option, and call it Mr. B. It's just coincidental that we actually have candidates who sound like Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. B. Okay, you can preview it, and this is what the polls will look like. People can choose whichever one. They will see the pictures, they can touch, and then they can vote, you know. So that's okay, and then submit. That's all you need to do, and then your event is ready to be attended. If we go back to the home page now, you will see that the cleaning events should be there in a second. And that's it. That's the latest events created. That's it here. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. We will do another video showing how people get into the event and how this application can change the experience of attending events in Nigeria and beyond. Thank you.